Okay guys, this time, Xiaomi Mi 6X hands-on video leak, with less than 24 hours remaining, for the unveiling of Xiaomi Mi 6X, more and more leaks are surfacing, to reveal the phone in real. The first video seems to show the gold variant, of the Xiaomi Mi 6X in action. The video reveals the same thing, that has been already seen in the previously leaked of the phone. It is metal-bodied handset, has a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, vertical dual camera setup, and 18:9 aspect ratio display. The Xiaomi Mi 6X is expected to hit the Chinese market in colors like cherry pink, red flame, sand gold, glacier blue and black. The official renders of the gold model, that was shown by the company a week ago, has a white front whereas the back panel sports the gold color. The another leak of Mi 6X confirms that it has a 20-megapixel front-facing camera, and it also includes a 20-megapixel sensor in its dual camera setup. It also reveals that it equipped Snapdragon 660 chipset, will be powering the smartphone. The dual camera module, with an LED flash at its center, is placed at the top left corner. The fingerprint scanner also resides on the rear. The U-shaped antenna bands can be seen on top and bottom edges of the phone. The entire specifications of the Xiaomi Mi 6X have been already leaked. It is expected to arrive with 5.99-inch Full HD Plus 18:9 display. It feature a 12-megapixel plus 20-megapixel dual camera setup and 2,910 mAh battery. The handset was recently spotted on Android.com, which revealed that it will be also available in 32GB storage option. Leaked information that had surfaced yesterday had revealed the pricing of Xiaomi Mi 5X successor. It revealed that variants like 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage would be selling in China with respective pricing of $285 and $317. Xiaomi CEO has recently confirmed that the company will be also releasing Mi A2 Android One soon. It will be arriving as a successor for the Xiaomi first Android One phone, the Mi A1 that was introduced in September last year. The Mi A2 is likely to be the very same Mi 6X phone, without the MIUI skin.
把人拍好看，其实很简单。用 AI 的眼睛去看，前置2000万 AI 人像，梦幻般背景虚化。后置2000万 AI 双摄，画质更细腻。前后2000万拍人更美。小米